In a secure laboratory this afternoon, a Cocker Spaniel is shown a line of samples. None has coronavirus, and there is nothing for Asher to find until one sample is switched.
So the sample's going out in position 1, so this is again somebody that has got COVID-19.
And in front of today's royal visitor, the Duchess of Cornwall, Asher identifies the odour of COVID-19 that he has been trained to find.
Clever boys.
Asher, along with Marley here and a dozen other dogs, are being trained to sniff out coronavirus in places like airports, even if the passenger has no idea they have it. Here the scent is on the woman in the blue dress.
These are biosensors with waggy tails and fluffy coats. So if they can detect it from a tiny piece of sock that was worn by somebody 3 weeks ago who has COVID-19, then the chances of them being able to smell it from a person that walks past is huge.
It's actually really high.
So this is really exciting.
Camilla, who wore a visor for the first time in public today, has high hopes for the dogs being trained here.
I just knew there was something very special about these dogs, and as we've seen today with COVID, and how quickly they're learning to sniff this out, it will be a game-changing moment for this country and the world.
Asher here, who's a working cocker, has shown that in just 2 days he can smell COVID, and therefore he could potentially smell it in human beings. It's why airports and sports venues are closely following the progress of this trial, but the researchers desperately need more samples of COVID for these dogs to sniff. Chris Ship, ITV News, Buckinghamshire.